Well, my Secret Santa showed up today and I got 2 gifts in my mailbox. There's this one in the precious little penguin bag, and this has dark chocolate peppermint pretzel and sea salt bark thins. I'd never had these, so I had to open them and take a bite, and it was quite good. And gift number 2 was in this little bag, also very cute. There's a box inside. A life around Zengeis. How do you say that last word? Fresh handmade goods. I like handmade things. So let's open this up and see. I already opened it this morning at work, but I didn't have time to film because there were children in my room. By the way, the children are all gone now. I won't see them again until next year. There's a little note about the company, a thank you, and 4 lovely, very colorful handmade bath bombs, and they smell lovely. I don't know how to describe the smell. They're kind of perfumey. They'll be fantastic in a nice bath, which I have not done in a while. I need to get back on that. Hello YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to Vlogmas day 19. Is that correct? I have to check my calendar. Yes, it is. Welcome to Vlogmas day 19. I just took this tea off the teapot. What was it called? Green something. Some kind of tropical fruity green thing. I wasn't expecting the color to be this light, but guess I shouldn't be surprised being a green tea. It tastes up front like a green tea, but in the back you get a subtle hint of the fruit. It was passion fruit. That's what it was. It was passion fruit green tea, something like that. Green passion fruit. I don't have to go to a mental health facility yet. That's good news. I also had a bourbon and Coke somewhere, but that disappeared. Let me go find it. Now we're talking. Don't you love those big round ice cubes? I really do. I will link below our round ice cube makers. It's a nice set. I like them a lot. Well, my bag of the day, not surprisingly, is the Louis Vuitton Vintage Noe in the GM size, to which I have this new drawstring. There we go. Now she's all cinched up. I did tie knots in the ends because one of the sides kept coming out of the little drawstring pull. But now it's perfect, and that won't happen anymore. This is such a great bag, and if you don't know the history of it, it was designed originally to be a luggage piece, basically, to carry 5 bottles of champagne. So 4 sitting upright in each corner, and then 1 upside down in the center. So I bought it to be my winery bag, and sometimes I take it to wineries, but sometimes if I know it's gonna rain, I don't. Like I said, today was the students' last day at school. They were very excited about that. We were also very excited about that. The teachers do still have to go back tomorrow, but probably not for very long. And I'll get to find out who my Secret Santa is. And I'll be able to share with you everything that I got and all the things that I gave to the person that I drew for Secret Santa. The end of the semester is so close to Christmas this year, I hardly have any time left to shop. I don't like going after work or on the weekends so much because that's when everybody goes and it's so crowded. So I'm looking forward to Monday. Hopefully a lot of people will still be working. I mean, that's not good for them, I guess, but it'll be good for me. Maybe the stores won't have quite as many people, but that's the day before Christmas Eve. So maybe this is wishful thinking on my part. We'll see, but I have a few more items that I very much want to pick up. Mostly for other people, but also a couple for myself. I got a nice big box in the mail today from Yota Style. Hey Yota. If y'all don't know her, I'm going to link her channel below so you can check her out. She sent me a Christmas gift and I'm going to wait till Christmas to open it. I also sent her something and told her to wait till Christmas, so it's only fair. I will definitely share that with you. Not sure what I'm doing this weekend. Really don't know. I guess you'll find out when I do. But right now I have 3 handbags to unbox for you and I'm very excited about them. I ordered them Oh, I was gonna grab one other thing. I ordered them from the same place that I ordered this bag, the Chanel Deauville Tote Dupe that I got monogrammed. So if you've been paying attention, you may know what one of those 3 bags is. When you get something monogrammed from them, it takes a little while to receive it. It takes about a month. So if you want to order something from them, and of course I'll link their website below, be aware of that. So here is the big bag. And let's get into this. I'm very excited about these. I've really been anticipating getting this, and I was afraid that it might not come before Christmas. I really wanted to show it to you guys in Vlogmas. And I ordered these either on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I don't remember now, but I got really good prices on them, good deals. That's my thing, you know. Here's what it looks like inside. They're all in their own dust bag. I'm gonna pull out the one in the middle first, which is the one I'm actually the most excited about. You saw a little peek of red there. Here we go. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Look at that leopard. Let me get it up close. Oh, that's so pretty. And obviously it is a tote bag. Oh, look, Roxy likes it. Roxy, you like it? Maybe, maybe not. Not sure. She's smelling it. So it's a tote bag. It looks like it's about the size of the Neverfull, maybe a little bit wider. And it has these little gold studs at the top. And then the inside is red. And this may look familiar to some of you. It is designed to look similar to a Louboutin tote. That's not why I love it so much. I do love this part of the design, but I really was looking for a leopard bag, and I think that that is just so pretty. I'm very happy with that. That lives up to my expectations. I was a little concerned about the quality of the interior, but first impression is it feels nice. It has this little pocket. It's very soft. I'm sure this is a pleather, not a real leather, but it's very soft. It feels just lovely. It just has that one zippered pocket there, similar to the Neverfull, and then it has a zip on top, so it looks like that when it's closed. And of course, it's nice to have a tote that closes. What do you think, Roxy? She's still not quite sure. Very happy with that. Let's see what else is in this bag. Okay, bag number 2. This is the one I got monogrammed. Seems a bit smushed, but maybe that'll be okay once I get stuff in it and stuff it out. So this is that Deauville tote dupe, but in the black leatherish material. So again, not real leather. I had this one monogrammed and it's in a gold thread. When you have things monogrammed with them, you don't get to pick the color or the font. You just get to pick the letters and what order they go in. And you may notice on this one, it says ABM, and on this one, it says AMB. This is how my initials are supposed to be, with the last name in the center, but I didn't like how that looked. Probably because I'm just not used to seeing my initials in that order. This to me looks much better. I'm very happy with that monogram. I do want to get this straightened out though. I don't like that it's so squished. And let me unwrap it so you can see everything in its glory. All right, here it is with all the plastic and paper off. It has gold hardware with this gold chain and the black pleather running through it. And that is also on the back. And one thing I like about the monogram on these bags is that you have the option of showing it with the monogram, carrying it where that's outward and people can see it. Or you can turn around because both sides of the bag look the same. The interior, it looks like this. It's gray. It has one big zipped pocket on that side there. It's the same as the other interior. And I know a couple of people, when I mentioned that they had this bag available, when I showed the canvas one, several people wanted me to get this. So I waited until I got a good deal on it because I wasn't willing to pay the full price that they had on it. So now I'll be able to do a review of this and do a comparison of the 2 bags. So if you're interested in one, but you don't know if you want to go with the canvas or the pleather, then you can decide that. They do have the beige one in this color on sale right now, cheaper than the black one, and that one is also beautiful, but my canvas bag was in the beige, so it didn't make sense to me to get the beige pleather. Hello, Roxy. You're a big YouTube star, Roxy. People love you, don't you people? All right, let's check out the last bag. Okay, this last bag I actually did not order. During Black Friday or Cyber Monday, whichever it was, when I placed my order for the other 2 bags, they had a special going on where if you spent a certain amount of money, I think maybe it was $75, that you got this bag for free. I didn't have a choice of any other bags. It was just this bag in this color scheme. And personally, it's not a bag I would have picked for myself, but I thought I could do two things with it. One, I could donate it, like I could give it to Goodwill, but I think a better place to send it is probably the Houston Area Women's Center. That's where I donate a lot of things that I get and don't want. But another idea was to do a giveaway with you guys with it, but I don't know if you're interested in this bag. So if you are, I'll show it to you, and if you are interested, then comment in the comment section. And if there are a few people who are interested, then I will do a little giveaway with it. So let me show you the bag first. You can already pretty much see what it is there. Okay, there you go. So it's a tote, obviously, and it is made to look like a Goyard bag, a Goyard tote, but it is not a fake. It doesn't say Goyard or anything else on it anywhere. Let me open it up. It's actually a pretty nice bag. It's well made. It's got the brown leather on the bottom, different shades of brown, and like a white, very light cream color with the brown trim. There's the drop. It's a pretty narrow base there. It has feet on the bottom, and then the interior looks like this. It's a canvas inside, there's a zip on top and a zipped pocket. I think it is a nice looking bag. So if you are interested in this, if you'd like me to do a giveaway with it, then comment on this video below and I'll have you say something specific. If you want to enter a giveaway for this, write in the comments, I want that tote. And then I'll do a giveaway with some software that I have that'll search for those exact words, I want that tote, and it will randomly select among the people that wrote that. Let's say I have to give you a deadline for this, and I'll open this up to the world, not just the US. So let's do a deadline to enter. Well, you're seeing this on Friday, so let's do a deadline of Sunday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then I'll do the giveaway drawing right then. And then I will pick a winner, get in touch with them by commenting on their comment and announcing it in the next video. So that would be in Monday's video. That would be day 22, if I'm correct. And that person and I can work out the shipping details. All right, so there's that. And I do still have some other giveaways planned, upcoming. I just about have everything I'm waiting on for that, so stay tuned. All right, I'm very happy with my two bags. And I like that third bag better than I thought I would. So now, Roxy, are you ready for Advent calendar time? She's such a good girl. She's so good. You would never steal Lily's cookie, would you? All right, let's get to the Advent calendars. This is day 19, and it's hard to miss that giant 19 right there. Forever Frosty, nutty, spicy, and sweet. This has apple, candied almonds, orange slices, marshmallows, rice protein, bunch of other stuff, beet powder, cinnamon, beetroot, coconut flakes, orange peel, cloves, artificial sweet roasted almond, and natural orange flavoring. It's a lot of ingredients. We'll find out if that combination is any good tomorrow. Okay, door number 19 right here. It has a Christmas tree on it. Well, what do you know? They're little Christmas trees. Raspberry and green apple flavored gummies trimmed with sweet holiday spirit. How nice. I'm trying a raspberry. Quite good, very flavorful from the get-go. I recommend. Okay, do-it-yourself advent calendar time. And number 19 is right here. Ooh, and this is one of my favorite items in the whole calendar. I'm very excited about this. I've been waiting for it. This is a Jasper necklace set in silver that I picked up when I was at the art teachers conference in Galveston in November. And there's a seller that goes there that I have visited before and purchased from before. And her work is unbelievably inexpensive. What she told me last time is it's because the people who make it are learning how to make jewelry, so it is imperfect. but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Just beautiful. And here, I'll show you the back. There you go. I mean, it looks pretty great to me, but I'm no jewelry expert. I paid only about $40 for this, if you can believe it. If I saw something like this at the rodeo or in Santa Fe, New Mexico, it would be a few $100s. I just think the work that she has is pretty amazing. I'm excited to have this. The good news is it's dog cookie advent calendar time. The bad news is whoever broke into the doggy advent calendar the other day ate door number 19. But don't fear, I have mutt mallows. Well, hello, Baron. We meet again. Hello, Lily. We did it right this time, didn't we? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to drop it.